Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to enable shape point in Microsoft Publisher. So get started. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show enable shape point. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a shape. Then choose a shape. Now draw a shape. Now going to the edit shape option. Now click for a edit rough points. Now point to the that it's. Then we show enable shape point in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.